Hello, today we are solving Jan 2024 Unit 2 IAL paper. Question number 3. You are the financial accountant for Tangail Supplies PLC. Extract from the statement of financial position for the last 2 years are shown below. So they have shown for 2022 and 23, and there is some additional information which is given here. So part A of the question is prepare for the year ended 31st December 2023 the property, plant and equipment provision for depreciation account. So this we have to prepare. So let's see what and all comes under the depreciation. So here there was a equipment which was sold, okay, with a carrying value was sold. So you have to remove this depreciation. And then another property that cost this much with accumulated provision for depreciation, okay, of this much, it was sold. So this also we have to remove. These two depreciations we have to account for, okay, and then should prepare this statement, because though these two only will affect the accumulated depreciation account, okay. Now, so the beginning balance, we will see that the provision for depreciation, the beginning balance was 3,765,000. So any depreciation account, the balance BD is going to start on the credit side, okay, because it's a liability. So balance B/D as on B/D as on 1st Jan 2023. So 1st Jan 2023, okay, the balance BD was around 3,765,000. The ending balance becomes the beginning balance for the next year. So 3,765,000, okay. So this is the balance. Now we have two assets which was sold, okay. One was the equipment with the carrying value, the cost was this much and the carrying value was this much. So we will calculate the depreciation amount. So equipment, so the equipment which was sold on 14th June 2023, okay. So there was a transaction with equipment, and for this you will have to include, okay, cost minus its depreciation value. So cost minus depreciation is going to be equal, cost minus the carrying value will give the depreciation. So 351,000 minus 216,000, so that is going to be equal to 135,000. So 135,000, okay. Then we have the property. Here they have given accumulated depreciation directly. So that was on 23rd August, okay, August 2023. So this was for the property. So any accumulated depreciation additions you will add here. Any property that was disposed, okay, any property that was disposed, you will write it on the debit side to remove it. So that was equal to 715,000. So 715,000, okay. So these are the two things which we have to remove. Now for the addition, the plant that was bought, and hence the depreciation calculation we can't do because there is no other information given here. But what we know is that the ending balance for provision is given. So we have to just calculate using ending balance and say how much will be transferred to the statement of profit and loss for the depreciation, okay, for the depreciation for this year. So let's write that. So So the ending balance on 31st December 2023, 31st December 2023, the balance was 3106,000. So 3106,000. Now the balance BD, okay, this was on 31st December. This must have been on the 1st Jan 2024. Okay, so 1st Jan 2024, the balance BD would have become brought down, was this much. Okay, and the balance CD would have become the same. So from this we will know how much you have to transfer to the statement of, okay, statement of profit and loss at the end of the year. So that is going to be on 31st December 2023. Okay, so now let's add up on this side. 135,715 plus 3106, and okay, so that is going to be equal to 3956,000. Okay, 3956,000. So we can see on this side it is less, so 3956,000 minus 3765 will, the rest will go here, because the total has to be the same. Okay, so that is going to be equal to the statement of 3956,000 minus 3765,000, that is going to be equal to 191,000. So this much of amount will go into the statement of profit and loss and other comprehensive income. Okay, statement of profit and loss and other comprehensive income for the depreciation